In reality, the job of an application or software is to support the business mission and to bring in revenue in some cases, or support revenue generating services. And so the question of how well is an application doing is kind of hard to answer when you don't know how an application actually impacts the business. What I mean by that is, if we were to take the checkout action of a common commercial application, I am a user, I am trying to buy something on your app, I put it in my cart and I click checkout and I can't pay for it. How does the business know that the error code, the 404, or the diminished performance of me clicking that button is actually related to a monetary cost to them as a business? I'm not going to buy that thing because I can't, I physically can't. How do you raise that information to the business? You really can't at this point with traditional monitoring because we're all stuck in the bits and bytes. We're all trying to say how fast is that service going? How many responses is that service? It disconnect. The critical user journey is how you get the engineers who are building the applications in the mindset of the business, which is why this application even matters. Why are we paying somebody to build this application? Well, it's because it makes the business money, which we can actually measure based on the number of responses and how fast they're being served to the customer. And that's where the user journey sort of wraps it around and brings it back to the technical, which is, well, what can we measure to actually get that dollar and cent amount?